Can you describe our company in a few words?
I would say sustainability,
reliable, creativity,
customer service,
power of expression,
international, team spirit,
partner in business,
quality,
innovation,
new work methods,
fun.
It's a big question, right? The Edding Group is home to 3 international product brands: Edding, Legamaster and PLAYROOM. We're your go-to partner when it comes to new work methods and visual communication. We believe that our products are extensions of our hands, hearts and minds that allow you to express yourself, reinvent yourself and to boost collaboration. Let's take a closer look. Legamaster's products range from whiteboards to digital touchscreens, with a full range of accessories. We offer solutions for any kind of collaboration that fit the latest office design, support digital and hybrid meetings, and make your meetings as mobile and flexible as possible. All of this is approached with a sustainable mindset, aiming to provide choices that support a better future.
It's more than 60 years of shaping the future of collaboration. We believe in a world where people can connect and collaborate better every day by using the right solutions, which empower creativity, boost interaction, and enable teams to excel.
Then there's PLAYROOM, our creative powerhouse since 2016.
We are all about transforming workspaces into playgrounds of innovation. So creativity and playfulness can be found at the heart of every PLAYROOM product. We believe with the right mindset, the right tools, and the right environment, working, learning, teaching can be much more creative, efficient, and fun.
What makes our brands unique? The products of all of our brands can be mixed and matched to create the right solutions for any collaborative environment.
We fully want to understand our users' needs to be able to bring the best solutions to the market, with the focus on quality, full of creativity and ease of use.
Truly caring for people, planet and society, and taking responsibility for our own actions is deeply rooted in the corporate values of the Edding Group.
We lead the way to have the first EO Eco-label certification on whiteboards. We are focusing on packaging and production.
Our solutions are sold worldwide in more than 110 countries.
With our streamlined ordering systems and dedicated customer care team, we aim to enable companies to grow globally. With our own warehouse, we ensure products are readily available. We are renowned for high accuracy in order picking and on-time and complete deliveries to our customers. We can even organize drop shipments.
Edding, Legamaster, PLAYROOM. We go beyond just products. We are dedicated to making a meaningful and sustainable contribution, fostering an environment where individuals are free to express themselves and to collaborate together in different ways, driving growth and success.